Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to add an organized, interactive accordion menu to your Wix website, think about those drop-down sections where users can click a question and reveal the answer. Then you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of creating an accordion-style FAQ using Wix's built-in tools, so you can give your visitors quick access to information while keeping your site looking sharp and professional. By the end, you'll have an accordion menu that's easy to update, visually appealing and functional for everything from frequently asked questions to menus or lists, with zero coding required. All right, let's get started. First, head over to the Wix App Market. You can find this in your site's editor. Look for the icon on the left-hand sidebar. The App Market is Wix's hub for extra features, and we're looking for something specific: the Wix FAQ app. In the search bar at the top, just type in Wix FAQ. The search results should pop right up, and you'll usually see the official Wix FAQ product right there. This app is designed to help you build those neat expandable menus effortlessly. Once you find it, click the Add to Site button. Wix will do its thing and install the FAQ app directly onto your current page. If you're seeing a blank section, don't worry, that's exactly what you want. The FAQ will drop into any empty area you select, which helps keep your site layout uncluttered. Remember, you can always move it later if it doesn't land exactly where you want it. Now, let's personalize your accordion menu. Click on the Manage FAQ button. It's usually displayed right next to or underneath your newly added FAQ section. This brings up the management interface, and here's where you start adding your own questions and answers. If you're not seeing any FAQs yet, that's normal. The section is fresh and empty at this stage. Go ahead and click Add New to start creating your first accordion item. In the question field, type out what you want users to see as the clickable header. This could be, "What payment methods do you accept?" or "Where are you located?" The key here is to be clear and concise, because your viewers will scan these to find the info they need. Next, let's add an answer. In the answer box below, type your full response. Feel free to add any extra details, clarifications, or examples that would help your site visitors. For instance, if you're answering a question about business hours, you might mention holiday closures or special seasonal timings. The great thing is, you're not limited to just text here. If you want to make your answer even more engaging or easier to understand, you can also add an image. This feature is super useful. Think about including a store photo, a diagram, or maybe a screenshot that supports your answer. Just click the image icon, upload your file, and it will appear with your description. Once you're happy with both your question and your answer, don't forget this crucial step. Click Save. It might seem simple, but saving locks in all your changes and ensures everything is displayed correctly on your live site. You can repeat these steps to add more FAQs. If you make a mistake, no worries. You can always edit or delete items later. Take a moment to preview the accordion so you see exactly how it will look and behave for your visitors. And there you have it. You've just built a customizable accordion menu in Wix that's ideal for FAQs, service lists, or anything else that benefits from expandable sections. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to showcase your new accordion menu. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more hands-on Wix tutorials and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.